Carpal tunnel syndrome occurs when the median nerve is compressed as it passes through the wrist's carpal tunnel. This tunnel, which is confined by the carpal bones and flexor retinaculum, is responsible for causing the signs and symptoms associated with this condition. Carpal tunnel syndrome is characterized by pain and discomfort in the affected area. Chickens. Also referred to as the transverse carpal ligament, the carpal tunnel is a narrow corridor composed of fibrous connective tissue that spans the underside of the wrist. When inflammation occurs within this confined space, it puts pressure on the median nerve, leading to its entrapment or compression and subsequently causing carpal tunnel syndrome. The telltale signs of this condition include discomfort in the fingers and even the entire arm, numbness, tingling sensations, muscular weakness, and decreased gripping ability. It is essential to recognize that the carpal tunnel accommodates 9 tendons and the median nerve simultaneously, resulting in many vital components occupying such a limited area. Therefore, the inflammation of any of these structures can engender the symptoms described. Now that we have elucidated the nature of carpal tunnel syndrome, please feel free to raise awareness by sharing this information with others. Furthermore, if you wish to prevent or alleviate the associated symptoms, join us as we embark on exercises specially designed for this purpose. Get comfortable and let's begin, my enthusiastic companion.
Do you have pain and tingling in your hand and you don't know if you have carpal tunnel? Very easy. Let's do this position, which is known as the fallen test, and hold it for 1 minute. If your symptoms get worse, you probably have it. You probably have it. What do we do if you have it? We're going to do a self-massage to relieve the symptoms. We put a little bit of cream on it, okay? And from here, all over this area, with the back of the spoon, with the corner of the spoon, we're going to do a little bit of scratching, okay? To improve the mobility and the sliding of the nerve. Then, we take the back of the spoon, we spread the cream towards the hand, and we're going to do a little scratching in this area here, and then towards the fingers, towards the ring finger, the middle finger, the index finger, and the thumb. The total duration of the massage should be about 5 or 6 minutes, not much longer. If you have been wanting to know more about carpal tunnel, we leave you below a video with much more information. A video with much more information. Until next time and beyond, goodbye. We will be performing stretching exercises to target all the muscles surrounding the carpal tunnel, all right? In addition, we will also apply a gentle stretch to the neural tissues associated with the median nerve. Now, how exactly do we go about doing this? We can opt for either a wall or a table as our surface, all right? Typically, we demonstrate on a table as it tends to be slightly easier. So, let's begin by placing our fingertips, the tips of our fingers, on the table for support, okay? From here, we will gradually proceed forward, applying light pressure, leaving the elbow straight, bringing the palm to play, okay? This is the easiest level. I'm going to propose 2 other levels that are a little bit more complicated, but this is just this. Next level, which is a little bit more complicated, let's turn the palm, okay? Turn the palm, okay? Instead of looking towards me, it is going to look towards you, in this case. From here, we're going to support the fingertips the same way, and we're going to take it up to here. Next level, even if this one is relatively easy and there is no problem, we are going to this position already, and from here, we are going to go to touch our ear to the opposite shoulder, okay? The opposite shoulder, okay? And we do this lateralization. We're just going to hold here for 20-30 seconds.